announcement to make, which all videos will be pushed back a day. I'm sorry, but it has to get done. And so here's the next clip, why it's happening. Welcome back, Red Knight Nation. Today is a sad day in the Red Knight Nation. We got a phone call last night saying Fritz, he wasn't moving. So after work today, me and my mother, we dashed over here to go check on him. He's not doing that well. He is moving a little bit more than yesterday, but I'll keep in touch what's happening, and I'll see you guys soon. So I'm back home. He's got at least 3 more days. He could go longer, because when we got to the doctors, he perked up a bit more, Fritz. But we don't know what the future holds for him yet. Just gotta wait and find out Saturday. So I'm sorry for this sad news, but he's 16 years old, 16 and a half. He's up there in dog years, even for a Labrador retriever. So please I'm just ending the video here, asking you guys just to pray for him, and I'll see you all around the realm.